Well, hello everybody, I'm Tobias and I'm gonna present you another CO2 degassing site. This time it's not a CCS site per se, it's an area which is called like the natural analog to these carbon capture and storage sites. It's become pretty famous over the last year due to the natural degassing, which I invite you to maybe if you have some spare minutes, to come to the poster and talk to me or Christina Flexi about the electric resistivity tomographies we did over the last few years and some test surveys. And I've prepared a very, very bad animation to show you what area I'm actually talking about, which is this one, in the northwestern part of the Czech Republic, so not too far away from here. And this area is quite famous for the natural CO2 degassing, which is the result of an intrusion of a magmatic body underneath the area. And while the magmatic intrusion is ascending, or slowly ascending, it releases massive amounts of fluids, mainly CO2, which migrates through the lithosphere up to the very top, to the surface, where it has to pass a tertiary sediment basin, so mainly consisting of claystone, of mud rocks. And we've been trying to observe and at least try to monitor the effect of the pressurized CO2 and water on these tertiary sediments. So in the form of moffats you can observe them at the surface, but these surface degassing spots are just like a very, very small amount of the actual CO2 release pattern. So if you have some spare time, feel free to come by and talk to us. So thanks again. I think that was even less than 2 minutes.
Final talk will be given by Chris.